For update of rate for an individual date and for a particular meal plan, we will select the Rate tab in the dashboard, then we will head on to Update option. We will select an individual option, then EP plan. Set the bar price, length of stay and prices. Then, after selecting a channel, we can see TH rate for a particular channel and a particular meal plan has been changed. For update of rate for bulk date and for a particular meal plan, we will select the Rate tab in the dashboard, then we'll head on to Update option. We will select the Range option, then EP plan. We'll set the date from 11th March to 14 March. Set the bar price, length of stay and prices. Then, after selecting the channels, we can see the rate for channel selected has been changed. For blocking of rate for 2-meal plan, head on to Update option. We will select the Range option, then both the Meal plan, EP plan and CP plan. Then, after selecting the channels, we can see the rate meal plan selected has been blocked. To unblock, select the Unblock option. Choose the plan same as selected before, and after selecting the channels you can see the rates have been unblocked.